Communication strategy, do's and don'ts. For better communication, please use these tips. Don't criticize in public. Don't shout. Don't show negative body language. Don't assume. Don't have one-sided conversation. Don't say you are always like this. Don't focus on winning the battle. Try to apply win-win strategy. Don't provide a lengthy list of wrong doing things all at once. Don't focus on what the person did wrong. Try to do positive conversation. Be direct. Use face-to-face communication. Make sure your statements are clear. Take responsibility for ensuring that what you say is understood by listener. Make eye contact. Be present and engaged. Speak calmly and openly. Acknowledge their time. Use a respectful and polite tone. Show understanding and empathy towards others, perspective and feelings. Frame your message positively and focusing on solutions. Respond to message and requests in a timely manner. Communicate with love and care. Follow these steps for betterment of communication. Join us with virtual classroom lectures. If you like the content and it is useful, please post your comments. We will work on it. Thank you.